garlic is definitely one of the healthiest foods on the planet. This natural miracle is able to treat numerous diseases, and due to its potent medicinal properties, it is used worldwide. It has been traditionally used to reduce cholesterol levels, control high and low blood pressure, treat coronary heart disease, stimulate blood flow, and prevent heart attacks. Its consumption controls LDL cholesterol, prevents the production of angiotensin II hormone and relax the blood vessels. Apparently, garlic can help your body in 24 hours. According to experts, the consumption of 6 roasted garlic cloves on a daily basis can provide impressive effects, as follows. First hour. The garlic is digested in the stomach, and feeds your body. 2-4 hours. It starts to destroy cancer cells and prevent free radical damage. 4-6 hours. The metabolism begins to recognize its beneficial properties, and it helps the elimination of excess fluids and fat in the body. 6-7 hour. The antibacterial properties of garlic start to operate and destroy any bacteria found in the system. 6-10 hours. The nutrients found in garlic have provided effects on a cellular level, so the body is not protected from oxidations. 10-24 hours. Due to the intake of this miraculous vegetable, the body undergoes a process of deep cleansing, which leads to strengthened immune system, improved bone strength, lowered and improved blood pressure levels, boosted longevity of cells, eliminated fatigue, regulated cholesterol levels, prevention of cardiovascular problems, prevention of the entrance of heavy metals in the body, improved athletic performance. Therefore, it is not just wise, but recommended by experts, to consume this beneficial food on a daily basis, and thus prevent various diseases and health issues, and treat the existing ones fast.